Hi students, this is Sahib sir, your chemistry mentor. Today we are going to learn one excellent trick to easily doing the fuel cell problems. Okay, what is the problem? To produce 4 paradies of charge, how much amount of H2O2 gas consumed in fuel cell at STP conditions? Okay, how much of charge want to produce? 4 paradies. That need to how much amount of H2 and O2 gas in fuel cell. Okay, in last lesson we are learned that fuel cell H2O2 fuel cell reaction is basic reaction is H2 plus half O2 gives H2O. That is very important for this trick. H2 plus half O2 gives H2O. Okay students, this is very important to remember the trick. This reaction is very important. 1 mole of hydrogen, half moles of oxygen reacts and forms 1 mole of H2O. Okay students, to solve this problem we want to find the valency factor. Valency factor. How do we find the valency factor students? Valency factor. Valency factor, how do we know? Number of electrons changed in the during the reaction. Number of electrons changed in the reaction and stoichiometric coefficient by stoichiometric coefficient. What is the stoichiometric coefficient? That is how much moles of hydrogen reactants are participated. How much amount of reactants participated in the stoichiometric reaction. That is the stoichiometric coefficient. What is the number of electrons changed during the reaction? Here H2O charge is 0 because it is molecular form. This also 0. But here H plus gains plus 1 oxidation state, oxygen gains minus 2 oxidation states. Now look at H2 converts into plus 1. How much change? Plus 1. But how many hydrogen atoms? 2. Charge is 1 into 2 atoms. Total charge is 2. In the same way, oxygens, how much oxygens? 1 oxygen. Half O2 means 1 oxygen. 1 oxygen carries minus 2 charge. This is N factor. 1 into 2. This also 2. Sorry, 2 into 1. Okay, this also 2. Number of electron changed is 2 for hydrogen as well as 2 for oxygen also. Okay, now we find the valency factor of hydrogen. Valency factor of writing shortcutly, valency factor of hydrogen is number of electron changed is 2. And what is the stoichiometric coefficient? Here there is nothing, means there is 1. Okay, 2 by 1, that is 2. In the same way, valency factor of oxygen in this reaction is, what is the reaction students? Half. So number of electron changed 2. 2 by 1 by 2, that is 2 into 2, that is 4. Okay students, now according to Faraday's second law, according to Faraday's second law, how do we find the number of moles of H2 and O2 or any other number of moles of H2 or any other, N is equal to Q by valency factor. This is the formula according to Faraday second law. Now we find the H2, number of moles of H2. What is the Q here given? Faraday's, that is charge is 4. What is the valency factor of hydrogen? This is 2. So number of moles of H2 is 2. In the same way, number of moles of oxygen, Q value is 4 and valency factor is of oxygen is 4. 4 by 4, 1. So H2 is 2 moles, oxygen is 1 mole. Totally 3 moles. Oxygen plus hydrogen plus oxygen. Okay, students. What is the gas? This is the gas. So we are finding in liters. 1 mole equal to how many liters, students? 1 mole equal to 22.4 liters. That is, any gas occupies 22.4 liters if that is 1 mole. So what is the number of liters of hydrogen? Hydrogen has 2 into 22.4, that is 44.8 liters. Same as oxygen has 1 mole into 22.4 liters. 22.4 liters. Total moles, how many liters gas is consumed? 12 for 67.2 liters is consumed to produce the 4 Faraday's charge in fuel cell. Okay, students, very simple trick. That is, we find the valency factor according the basic reaction of fuel cell, that is H2 plus half O2 gives H2. Always valency factor of H2 in fuel cell reaction is hydrogens 2, oxygens 4. Please remember these 2 and 4. Hydrogens 2, oxygens 4. Next, according to Faraday law, N is equal to Q by valency factor. Okay, students, it is simple trick and excellent trick. Thank you.